Hi there. This is just a quick video of a a Midway Tapper MCR3 game board set. It's actually a 3-layer board set. It's attached together with these ribbon cables. This one has a set of the 5 new ribbon cables, 3 on this side and 2 on the side I just showed you. This game came out in 1983. I've got this hooked up on my workbench. I do not own this actual game, but you know, all the connections are like they say in the manual, with pins 2, 3, 4, and 16, which is the V battery, all going to 5 volts. That pin number 16 does have to be hooked up, or else the game won't run. The V battery, it's shown on the schematic. And then looks like the grounds are pins 6, 7, 10, and 20. This blue wire here, pin 18, that's the 12 volts for the sound. On this side of the board, the video connector is in the middle board. The video connector is the same size as the sound connector, you know, so you can swap the two, but I don't think any damage occurs if that happens. But anyway, the video, the one that goes up to the monitor, goes to the center board here. And then on the sound, the only thing I wanted to mention on the sound is that, you know, if you're putting this in a tapper cabinet, I don't imagine it would be an issue. I don't think. But the schematics said that the sound was on pins 5, 6, and 7. Well, it says the pod is on pins 1, 2, 3. So I've got a little pot wired up here, and that worked. But on pins 5, 6, and 7, I was only getting sound on pin 7. So then I hooked this up just like I would hook up a Tron board set, which is the sound on pins 7, 8, and 9, and then I got all 5 channels when I did the channel test and all that good stuff. So anyway, just a note. I don't know if these did come with different I/O boards. Even though this is a Tapper set, which is an MCR3, the sound I/O board says MCR2 with panning. So I have no idea. I don't know that much about these boards. It does say 1983 right there, so I think this is, the operator told me this is the complete board set that came with the machine. So I just wanted to mention the sound connector there. Anyway, I'll go ahead and turn on my power supply here. That yellow LED just blinked once. We'll go over to the monitor. Here, I'll do this again so you can see there's no errors. I turn this on, get the test grid, goes through the colors. My monitor has a little pin cushion issue, as you can see there, but anyway. Just let this run for a while here. Of course, the scan lines are just because I'm doing a video that you can't see that in real life. That everything works perfectly as far as I can see. I have tested the board for video, for sound. I run through all the tests in the menu for inputs. You know, I can play the game here a little bit if I take one of my ground wires and add some coins to pin 1 of this input here. You can see down the lower left-hand corner there, I added 2 credits, and then I believe the 3rd pin is the start button. So I can serve a beer, move around, Oops. Well, as you can see, I am not very good with using a ground wire to try and play the game. It's a little difficult that way. But, this pin 8 is the test menu. I have gone through here. Like I said, I did the channel test. I got all 5 sound channels. Did the self-diagnostics, everything. I'm not going to run through everything, but anyway, everything works. The game looks fantastic. No errors on boot up. That's it. I'll have this on eBay for sale very shortly. Thanks for watching.